Do you want to make money from home? Then this video is for you. My name is Karen, and in this video, you'll get 10 legitimate ways to make money from home and you don't need any money. Maybe you've lost your job with COVID, or you're buried in debt. You want to save money to buy a house, or maybe you need to supplement your retirement. Or maybe you want to just replace your income and work full-time from home. Either way, these ideas can help you make that extra money and finally have that financial freedom. But make sure you stick around to the end, because the last one is the one that I have made the most money with. I'm excited to share these ideas with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, make money from home, and we're getting started right now. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you about is Clarityfm. You can get paid to give people advice on different topics that you know about. So let's take a look here. The categories are business, sales and marketing, funding, product and design, technology. There's a lot of different categories in here that you may know something about already. For example, I'm a physical therapist. So if I go in here and type in physical therapist, I can see what people are charging to give advice. So you can see they charge anywhere from $1.67 to $5 a minute. So she would be making $300 an hour if she gave an hour's worth of advice. But just to give you an example of what you might do, there's probably a lot of skills that you have that you didn't even realize that you could get paid for. So if we look at maybe sales and marketing, let's say you knew something about copywriting, you could come in here and give people advice for, again, maybe $5 per minute. And you could, this person's charging $7.50 per minute. So you can make some really good money doing that if you know something about social media marketing. So let's say you're really good at TikTok marketing. You could come in here and give advice for people who are starting a TikTok channel and charge anywhere from $2.50 all the way up to $5 a minute, just to tell people about how to start a TikTok channel and how to grow their TikTok channel. And so you can, again, make some really good money giving advice on things that you already know about. Second thing is Handygig apps. There's a couple that are kind of similar. The first one is Airtasker. The second one is TaskRabbit. So you can see on Airtasker, the different categories, there are quite a few. People need these services done, and you're going to offer your services to them. So anything from repairing a bike, putting up a fence, putting down flooring, any type of job that you can think of, you come here and become an Airtasker and be able to make some really good money. I'm more familiar with TaskRabbit because I've hired somebody 3 times now to help me with my dog and getting her fitted inside of her wheelchair. And I just had her out last weekend, for example. She made $41 because it falls under furniture assembly, and then I gave her a $20 tip. So she made like over $60 just coming to see me for an hour, and then she was going to go do some yard work right after that. So it's a way that you can set your own hours and kind of have a variety of different things that you can do. You can see on TaskRabbit, contactless delivery, running errands, grocery shopping, disinfecting, dropping off donations, yard work, virtual assistants. There's all kinds of tasks that you can do and sign up for in here. And the person that I hired, she said that she does this full time. She was working as a cook, I think, and she didn't like her boss, and she's been doing this for quite a long time and makes a full-time income. She does not have to advertise at all. She said she gets all of her jobs through the site. So it's a really great way to make some good money from home. So definitely check out Airtasker and TaskRabbit. Oh, and speaking of making money from home, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you like. Third one is Pro Blogger. Let's take a look at this website here. What you can do is help people with content on their blogs. So you can become a writer for blogs, and you can come in here and click on jobs to see what kinds of tasks, what kinds of jobs there are out there right now. People are looking for blog article writing. You can see there's quite a few jobs here for blog and article writing. And you might think, well, I need to get pretty good at writing. Yes, you do, but it's a learnable skill. You could go to udemy.com and type in blog writing. You can see there's quite a few courses here in being able to get better at writing. These courses are very inexpensive. So if that's something that you're interested in, Pro Blogger is a really great site that you can find some work and make some really good money writing for blogs. Next one is flex.amazon.com. So with Amazon Flex, you're going to be delivering packages, and I know myself, I order from Amazon like several times a week and go to the Amazon locker several times a week, so I know that there will always be a need for Amazon drivers, and you can get paid anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour. You can set your own hours, so you'll reserve a block of time that you will deliver packages. So it is flexible and you can set your own hours. Number 5 is care.com. And on this site, you can help with childcare, school support, senior care, housekeeping, special needs, and pet care. So people are hiring you through this site to do these different types of jobs. And I know being in healthcare, sometimes people will just need you to be there with an elderly person because they're not safe to be alone. And so that may be something that you could do through this site. And it's pretty easy work. I've seen people that do that, and they just are helping them with their everyday tasks. So maybe they have Alzheimer's or something like that, and their family's at work and they need somebody to care for them. And then again, childcare, school support, and then again, you could do some of these other tasks as well. Number 6 is you can actually rent out your space, and you can go to a website called neighbor.com. So if you have maybe a garage or an empty room or closet that you could store someone's things for them, it's a lot cheaper than if they go to like a self-storage unit. If we click here on list your space, it'll give you an idea of how much you could charge per year. If you rented out your basement, you could get about that much per year. You could actually rent out a closet. If you had more than one closet, you could rent that out. And then your driveway, because people are looking for maybe a place to park their RV. That is approximately what you could make a year. Or if you had a garage that you could rent out, this is another option for you. So just another way that you can make extra money with just empty space that you have. Then you could do what's called Airbnb Experiences. I have a friend who does this, and he said you can make an absolute killing with Airbnb Experiences, which he is. I don't know what it's like right now in COVID, but as this clears up in 2021, I think that this will definitely be a good area to get into if you're interested in this. You just go to airbnb.com/host/experiences. And so you're going to be earning money doing things that you already are doing and that you love to do. So an experience is something that people can book through the Airbnb site. So you can create an activity like a food tour on a bike, light photography at night, yoga. I know in the Las Vegas area there are tours that people will give through Red Rock Canyon. Do what you love and get paid, and there's some examples here. Our culture and history, food and drink, and nature and outdoors. So you could host a food tour, a cooking class, dining experience. You could lead nature hikes, water sports, and I know that you can make some really good money with this because they may charge like $20 per person per hour. So if you have quite a few people, that can really add up, and it's just something fun that you can do and make some good money. Number 8 is you can flip free items from Craigslist and sell them on Facebook Marketplace. I've made some really good sales on Facebook Marketplace. Now you would go to Craigslist in your area, and under for sale, just click on free. And I was already looking in here, and I live in the Las Vegas area. These are free landscaping rocks. They just want somebody to haul them off. You could resell those. This one here, some of them you have to make sure that it is actually free. This one is free, but it has 2 issues. So if you know how to repair this, you could definitely resell that. This is a portable air conditioner that looked like it was in good working condition. You could resell that. Free sectional. This looks like it's pretty well worn. I don't know if you could resell that. This here, you could refinish it and resell it. So some of these couches look like they're in decent condition. If you clean them up, you could definitely resell them. And I did a video where I went into depth on couch flipping, because this is a area that people are getting into, and you can definitely make some really good money with it. And a lot of people were making money their first week doing it. It's this video right here, and I will post this in the description below the video. And I also go into more detail about TaskRabbit in that video as well. So after you get the free item, then you would take it to Facebook Marketplace and list it on here. You would just go to create a new listing, and it's very easy to create a listing on here. You take a picture of it and put your price in there. These are some listings. I didn't get these for free. I was selling them because we were moving, but just to give you an example of some of the things that I've sold on here. And I've had really good experience in being able to sell whatever it is that I have listed. So it does take some hustle, and of course you have to go pick up the items and store them, but you can definitely make some really good money flipping things for free. Number 9 is to start a YouTube niche channel, and you can do this without ever showing your face. I have several videos on this topic on my YouTube channel. I will leave them in the description below the video, but I wanted to give you just an example right here of this cooking channel. So she never shows her face, but I wanted to show you how many views she gets on her videos. For example, if we just go here and we search most popular, you can see like this video that she did 3 months ago. She's just showing how to make bread without yeast in this pan, and it has 8.9 million views. And a lot of her videos do have millions of views on them. She has 629,000 subscribers. But if we look at her Social Blade stats, and this isn't always exactly accurate, but it's anywhere from $9,000 to $158,000 a month that she makes just from people clicking on ads on her videos. And so if you like to cook, that's an idea of something you could do, but there's all kinds of other channel ideas that you can have, niche channels, that you can make some really good money on YouTube. And number 10 is affiliate marketing. I've made some really good money with affiliate marketing. This is just an example here of one review video that I put up, and I made over $4,500. Actually, I made a sale the other day that I didn't even know about, so it's over $5,000 now. And I just did that video. It probably took me maybe an hour to make, and then I make sales from it quite often. You're just referring someone to a product or service, and then you make a commission when they purchase the product. And a great way to make money through affiliate marketing is to refer people to tools that they'll use every single month, and that way you'll have that recurring income. An example is this gentleman here, Ivan Mana, and he has a YouTube channel where he does tutorials on tools for online marketing. And if we look here and just click under, you just search ClickMagick, and you can see that he does tutorials on ClickMagick, and basically what he does is he goes through the frequently asked questions and he makes videos about them. And then when people purchase ClickMagick through his link, he makes a commission, and that's a monthly recurring income that he has. And then he does that for all different kinds of tools. So that's just an example of a way that you can make money with affiliate marketing. And of course, you can make money through high-ticket affiliate marketing as well as recurring income. And recurring income is great because if you want to replace your income, you can know that that money will be coming in every month. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. And let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.